Hello and welcome to another video edition of collegedekho.com. Today, we are at the Mangalmay Group of Institutions. Enjoying its location in one of the premium educational hubs of NCR, Mangalmay Group of Institutions is situated at plot number 8 and 9 of Knowledge Park 2, Greater Noida. Started in 2002, the institute imparts quality education in the fields of management, engineering, biotechnology and education to equip students with knowledge and skills which would enable them to make meaningful contribution to the society.
Mangalmay Institute continues to be a premier institute in the field of technical and management education. Since 2002, Mangalmay Institute has maintained a practical, hands-on approach to career education to help our students achieve their personal and professional goals. Mangalmay Institute is focused on providing a global perspective, learning experience, inculcating the requisite skills and values to transform the students into global business professionals, ever ready to take on the challenges of the business world. Our student-centered approach remains our mission and continues to attract the students who prefer a more personal learning experience as we provide a much bigger and broader canvas of learning.
The institute has been facilitated with global acclaim, including awards like the prestigious Students Excellence High Impact Award 2016 by Business World magazine, the prestigious Academic Excellence Award in Technical Education for Engineering by All India Technical and Management Council in 2005, ranked AAA by Business and Management Chronicle, ranked 16 in Delhi NCR by Mail Today, ranked A in Best Schools of India by Business India, ranked 49 nationwide by Business World, ranked 5th for Management and 15th for Engineering by Amar Ujala and IMRB International Education Survey. The institute is dedicated to attain outstanding academic levels through inputs of excellence, thereby shaping professionals of tomorrow with the purpose of adding value to society and contributing towards nation building.
With that attitude, being ever ready to help, teachers not only deliver classroom teachings but also providing real-time case studies and hands-on industry experience with various projects works. I gained the strength to face the challenges confidently and emerged out with flying colors.
The management school is rated amongst the best MBA colleges of the region and engineering schools amongst the top engineering colleges in India.
Apart from being many colleges in Greater Noida, Knowledge Park 2, I choose Mangalmay to be part of my life because they provide the best teaching experience in all over Greater Noida, which helps in diversifying the mind of the students and inculcate the best knowledge experience with ideas, knowledge and power to be a good engineer.
An academic ethos supplemented by the state-of-art infrastructure, a proactive culture and a focused approach has enabled Mangalmay to attain an honorable position amongst the community of premier institutes.
MIMT is a destination to pursue passion and knowledge. Active and modern classrooms are the stepping stairs to inspire thinking and to build tomorrow's manager. An amazing Wi-Fi campus with well-equipped IT labs are the part of MIMT to enhance learning and to build new industrial minds with new perspective. To groom the personality to the core, we have laboratories, gymnasiums, play fields, cafeterias, conference halls, seminar halls, as well as auditoriums.
The institute takes special care for the comfort of the students and ensures they adjust well to the college environment.
Amidst the educational hub, MIMT has a great lush green campus with positive environment. It has easy accessibility with expo marts, metro stations, golf courses and industries. which prepare us for the on-the-job purpose. Separate hostels for boys and girls are availed here with the marvelous hospitality. Hygienic food in the mess is provided to soothe our taste buds.
Its committed and highly qualified faculty provides the students with an updated academic curriculum and encourages them to make the best career choices.
We assign a mentorship program to each faculty members. Our faculty meet these students and sort out their personal as well as academic problems.
Mangalmay Group of institutions provide placements and career assistance to students, keeping in view the changing market demands and also keep a track of various organizations and trends in the job market with the objective of optimally providing the right fit for the stakeholders.
Our college is very well known for its placements. We have team of experts in CRD department whose constant endeavor is to place its students in well-reputed companies. They conduct various job fairs, campus drives and campus recruitments every now and then. The biggest example is myself. I got my placement in the first year of my course. Our college is very responsive towards its students getting placed. Our college conducts various personality development programs, mock interviews and various competitions such as presentations, quizzes, etc. which help to develop the students in overall growth. Mangalmay help us to learn more and do better. Thank you, Mangalmay.
The institute travels that extra mile to facilitate the holistic development of the student through its personality development programs as well as online global courses.
Beside academics, it is compulsory for each and every student to undergo some kind of industrial or technical training. Students are assigned with 40 hours personality development program, and so their personality is being groomed so that from 4th year onwards, when they go for some placement activities, they should be industrial or corporate ready product. Our institution has made an MOU with a company in which these students will go for